Good morning friends, how are y'all? Welcome back to Thamara's garden. Today I will be discussing about a video regarding the famous, trending and also feng shui and lucky plants. These plants are said to bring good luck, wealth, abundance and prosperity to your home. So why not adding them? According to the knowledge that I collected from Google and many books and also some of the videos that I watched, these plants are said to bring and believed to bring good luck to your home. So let's see what are the house plants. We have them around our houses and yet sometimes we do not know that they are very lucky for us. So see the list of plants that are said to bring good luck. So we have these beautiful pothos plants. As gardeners, we bring them at the beginning of our gardening. This is one of the plants that bring good luck, wealth, prosperity. So this is called the money plant as well. So this is very easy to grow. They are low maintenance but permanent and also one of the famous and trending plants. When talking about good luck and also wealth and prosperity, this is one of the plants that you must have in your garden. This is mini jade and they are very low maintenance, easy to grow, and also these plants you can grow from a single stem, and this is one of the luckiest plants. So have it at your entrance, in your home garden, in your office, but these plants needs a lot of sunlight in the morning. So the next plant is lucky bamboo. They are easy to grow, low maintenance and permanent. One of the lucky plants, and also this plant, according to feng shui, this is one of the luckiest plants for your home. So have lucky bamboo in your home. As vastu, as feng shui, these are best plants, best house plants which are trending and famous too. Rubber plant. According to feng shui, this is one of the best plants. Rubber plant, another trending, famous and also one of the good luck plants which you can grow from a single leaf, and this is said to bring good luck and wealth to your home. So why not adding this plant also in your indoor plants collection? One of the best house plants. Crassula ovata, another lucky plant for your house plants collection. This is one of the jade varieties, a succulent and also low maintenance and permanent. Have this succulent plant in your home garden. Easy to grow, low maintenance, famous and one of the trending plants of feng shui. Among other good luck plants, these palm plants also said to bring good luck, good vibes to your home. Having palm plants around your home is really very lucky. Adding couple of snake plants in your home garden is also considered as lucky plants. So according to the Google search I did, these are also considered as good luck to your home. So keep these house plants in your garden. To enhance the good luck, prosperity, abundance in your home, this is another plant. This house plant is ZZ plant and also this is very easy to grow, low maintenance and said to bring lot of good vibes to your home. ZZ plant also considered as a lucky plant. Next beautiful, trending and also one of the good luck plants are these Swiss cheese plants. So these plants also very easy to grow and low maintenance but permanent plants. Not only being beneficial for the home by providing a lot of medicinal goods, these aloe vera plants are said to bring good luck. They enhance the good luck in your home wherever the house that they are living. So these plants are also good luck plants according to feng shui and vastu. Having some peace lily plants also are said to bring good luck. Look at these peace lily flowers. Anthurium plants. Anthurium plants are also good luck plants. They are a bit expensive than the other plants, but they are said to bring good luck to the bearer. Keep it in your home, office or in your garden or in your house plants collection. This is one of the best plants to your home. Last but not the least, these Aralia plants and also ficus variegated plant is one of the plants that you will have to add in your house plants collection because they are good luck and also lucky. So in today's video I've shown you some of the plants that are considered as good luck and also some of the feng shui plants according to Google search I did. So these are the plants that attract wealth, prosperity and abundance to your home. So have all these plants in your house plants collection. So in today's video I have shown you the best of plants that bring good luck, wealth, abundance and also prosperity. So these are according to the Google search I did. So I hope you find it very useful. If you do, please give it a big like and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching, friends.